Top middle of the desert for pictures.
For pictures.
Why not? Picture is
For pictures.
important. For photo.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Salma and basically I'm in Dubai. Today is day 2 of Dubai. It's been, and you haven't seen much to be honest, but it's been so exhausting. I literally have been on maybe 4 hours sleep for the last 2 days, just because obviously the flight in was overnight and that I got maybe a couple hours here and there, and then I got like 4 hours last night because to come to Abu Dhabi this morning we had to leave at like just before 8, so, and I didn't go to bed until 2, and I know no one cares about that, but all I'm saying is it's been crazy. It's just been exhausting. And the energy that I was showing up with yesterday was just not the energy I want to be on here with. So let's say this is the official start of the vlog. Hi, if you don't know me, my name is salmehshanghai. Currently we're in Abu Dhabi. This is my Dubai vlog. And yeah, I'm having so much fun. The girls at the Yas Island sign. Alright, cool. Alright, come back. I didn't actually know it was called Yas. He was saying yes, and I was saying yes.
This Yas Marina circuit with a capacity of almost like 50,000 people can come and walk.
And then I came here and it actually was called Yas. Y-A-S. So I was gassed. So all the girls that are with me are absolute strangers. That's like the concept of this group. Like you get to meet loads of people on this. So it's been wild. Like I've literally connected with people that are literally exactly the same, like literally the same person as me, and it's so wild. And that like how things work out, like we're literally sharing a room and like, oh my god, that's me, oh my god, same. It sounds very monotone and boring, but when you do click with people like out of nowhere, like complete strangers, and you literally have the same mindset, it's just so, I don't know, you feel it on a deeper level. Let me know if you know what I mean. But yeah, I really want to create content. I'm not gonna lie, like actually purposefully create content rather than, you know, filming here and then make it into a video and or reel or something. I don't know. Yesterday we went to like the Sky Observatory. I did like vlog here and there, but I'm not 100% sure what I actually captured, so it might be a bit short. But yeah, heading back to the coach now to head to, I don't even know where, but you'll see it on the way. The main points I'm excited for is the Lourve and the Abu Dhabi, the Sheikh Zayed Mosque. Yeah, I'm really excited for those parts of this tour. But yeah, and then we go home and I'm trying to get a spa day in. Yeah, I'm trying to sneak one in if we can. If they have like good stuff on the menu, if that makes sense. So yeah. But yeah, I'll be vlogging the rest of the days of this trip. But for now, I'm just getting on the coach and then I will see you at the next location.
Police station.
How is that police? What?
It's not a police station, it's a 5-star hotel you get there. Because it's a very much crime-free here. So if you are a lawyer profession, never come here. It's not a good profession here for the lawyers, you know, because the crime rate is very low. Or we have rigorous imprisonment of jail term with huge fines, you know. Only one chance they give to the person. Second time the person is caught with the same act, after the punishment they will take him or her to the airport. Goodbye.
Oh, this is pretty. So as you saw, we're at the Louvre and it was stunning. I'm not gonna lie, I enjoyed coming to Louvre and I definitely want to come back. I don't know when, but we only was able to go from the outside, if that makes sense, just go have a look around there. And now we're at the UAE Heritage Village. So yeah, we're just gonna be touring around here.
So one of the museum is here. Then you can walk straight on the right corner. Another museum is there where the old traditional clothing, they're still
fashion.
All trading, all been shown there. Then you can come back and go on the beach side here. You can see the waterfront. Okay. You can take some good pictures. Don't try to jump off swimming and all. That's not allowed here. You can take good pictures in the sky of Abu Dhabi. This side you can see some supermarket, but on the corner, it's a deserted environment. They have old traditional houses. They have a camel, gazelle, and a horse also. Okay. So when you see it, you have to come back to the bus. I've given the timing is 12:35. 35 past 12. Please come and reach back to the bus. Okay. Go on.
Thank you. This was going to be more fashion related, and maybe I'm just in the wrong section. Maybe I should ask. That's what I should do, because this looks like equipment and stuff like that. A lot of Arabic culture is in Zanzibar because of the Sultan was from Oman and he ruled over Zanzibar, so I guess they brought stuff over. It's so interesting just to see so many things that are familiar. Yeah. This is the fashion side, but we were on the wrong part. My bad. Oh look, this is so cute. My bad, we was in the wrong place. And a donkey coming all the way out to get some attention. So we're on the beach and it's absolutely stunning. It literally reminds me of Zanzibar. Not the buildings, but just the whole trees, these boats, these little straw huts. Not even huts, are they? But they're made out of straw, and tied with string. So it just reminds me of home, and then you get all of Abu Dhabi / Arabia in the background. But this part right here, I want to go back, see grandma, grandpa, and actually relax whilst enjoying it. I wish I could be going to Zanzibar. I'd honestly need at least a month off, and I haven't got that time available at this time because it's so busy in general, and even this trip was kind of wedged in there, but I'm happy that I'm here. I haven't ever been to Dubai. I've been to Abu Dhabi once, but yeah, I'm so grateful. But this part really reminds me of home. So happy to be here. Thank you. Oh, I want to do one of those pictures where you're running away from the camera. Oh, he's not really coming, he was just coming to have a look.
Yeah, because I think we're not allowed to go in the water in it.
Oh, right. No, of course not. I'm not trying to get wet.
I think people have shopping.
I just left my everything everywhere. Oh, it's so hot.
Let's go be behind the boat, yeah?
We had lunch and then we're at the Sheikh Zayed Mosque. So I can't wait to do this tour. I'm really excited to be here. It's absolutely stunning already. Surprisingly, before we get to the mosque, there is loads of stores. Maybe people get peckish on the way as well. I have no idea. So it's so pretty. Look at these dresses. Oh, she's buying the dress for the mosque. Oh, it's so beautiful. These are pretty. So we're at the Sheikh Zayed Mosque. So wild to actually be here. I'm going to show you the view, but right now there's quite a few people, so I don't really want to be putting them on blast. stunning. She's been telling everyone on her vlog, so that she's been walking for a very, very long time.
It was.
For that long.
It was, honestly. Do you know what I mean?
You're in the mosque. Stop. Yeah, there's no need. There's no need for that light. There's no need.
But anyway, this place I'm not paying so much.
But yeah, it's very beautiful. I feel like they might be petals, like on the glass work, but it's so pretty. They could be flowers. They're really, really pretty, basically. The whole architecture is stunning. Yeah, just have a look. Wow!
Stunning way. Like an upside down palm tree, and you can see the huge chandelier there. They have made the palm tree fronds. The balls are the date fruits, you know. When it comes in the tree, it changes its colors. Starts with the green color, then it goes to the yellow color, at last it goes to the brown color. That is what they're trying to show. This is the one which is carpet, which is spread across 5,400 meters square. 2 years, 1,200 women.
1,200 women
made this carpet. Made in Iran, shipped it and brought it here. Record it with the song. iPhone खरीद लिया क्या? सारी देख ली है.
So we're back on the bus, and we just like left the Sheikh Zayed Mosque. It was absolutely beautiful, stunning, and I can't wait to come back again. Hopefully with family to share that experience with. But yeah, it's quite warm, so I've been using this little handheld device. Yeah, it's been really, really lovely. I'm not gonna lie, and I'm really happy that we got to witness it during like the Adhan as well. I think that was my favourite part. So we're gonna head back to Abu Dhabi, Dubai. Sorry, I just don't know how long it's gonna be. Maybe an hour.
Guys, does anybody have my phone? I can't find my phone as well. Yeah? Yeah, my phone.
There's a lot of stuff going on this country, really. So I'm gonna leave it here. I'll speak to you when we get back to the hotel.
You guys walked away. How could you walk away from your phone? I want to lift it on the table. I left their phone in Starbucks. I let us talk out of it. I went back. Oh my. Even we're still.
Hey guys, so we're in Dubai today and we're doing quad biking. I've never done quad biking in my life. But yeah, like this is good. This is the spot. In a second, 1 second. Obviously, I'm so excited to do it. They just wrapped this around us. Yeah. So join us on this journey.
Yeah, please.
So I wasn't sure if I would be able to get some shots on the quad bike with my camera or like even anything like that. But since I've done it with my phone, I'm hoping this time I'll be able to get some cool shots as well. and it's just that's so true. I thought I'd get more day, you know. I'm alright. But yeah, we just did quad biking. It was quad biking, and it was so much fun. I know, it's really fun. I enjoyed it. It was messy, but it was messy for a mouth. And everything. You know what? You're not even messy. Well, not now. She's gassing, guys. She's not messy. But yeah, it was so much fun. Yeah, we really enjoyed it. And we're going dune bashing.
Don't buy water.
We're doing dune bashing next. Yeah, we're going in the desert.
Oh,
Tell
sorry.
us.
Yeah, we are going to the desert.
Yeah.
Dune bashing, adventure. Who want water?
Well,
Is that my bottle or is it another one?
Okay,
another
no
one.
problem. That's okay. No
Another
problem.
water bottle, yeah.
yeah. Thank you. Can never have too much water in this
Lord knows
this
we're
heat.
dehydrated since we came.
Yeah, literally dehydration.
It was great.
Is everyone here? I don't think everyone is here. There's about 5 of us, and I think all together we're 7. Are we all excited? Oh my god!
Christmas. Sports and Entertainment Festival is back, and the countdown.
Ladies, no more fuel. Finish. No fuel.
Thank you!
That was beautiful.
Dune bashing is fun. I think if you get car sick very easily, then definitely probably won't be as enjoyable for you. The songs weren't always hitting, so we had to like make do or like really try to jam and make the tune slap. I don't know what I'm saying, bro. Either way, it was a lot of fun, and now we're just like kind of taking pictures, observing the view, and then like apparently we're about to do a camel thing. But I have no idea because I don't remember looking at it, to be honest. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. And also I had a falcon on my head. Yeah, this is the view. So there's our car. I don't know where he ran off to be honest. Maybe he's just driving back up here, so maybe I should move. And then, oh, sledding. It looks like some people are doing sledding as well. Okay. So good.
Nice. Perfect. You have to do the same, okay?
Okay, I'm
Right.
back. Come here, I'm standing. Oh, okay.
Keep going.
So, we're on a camel right now.
We are, I know.
Literally, much cozier than horseback riding. Horseback riding. The girls in the back.
Yep, all 4 of us.
On the camel. But yeah, this has been such a fun day. I can't even lie.
It really has. Oh my god. It's been so eventful. From, like
Literally.
sand surfing, dune bashing, and now this.
Yeah.
Oh, and the biking. Oh, it was amazing.
It was so much fun.
Oh my god.
This is the camel. Wow, horse. This is the other one. It's actually really high. Oh gosh. So, we've basically had the entire experience. So much sand in my shoe, like sand in my toes. Are we supposed to be going back?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, okay.
But I feel like we never done it there.
So, I think we're done for the day. For
For the morning.
For the morning.
Yeah.
It is 10:51. I need to do a better job at keeping you guys updated. At the time, the day. It's Sunday, the 27th of November at 10:52. And we're done for the morning. We did quad biking, dune bashing, sand surfing, camel riding. It's been packed and it was all inclusive. The only things we bought extra was like this and our photos for the quad bikes. But yeah, it was like really great, and I'm like really surprised at the like how everything was like so well managed. Like you can go from place to place without too much stress as well. We're gonna head back to the hotel, and then we'll be probably chilling for a while until we get dressed for our MoonLight dinner. I need to charge my batteries, and yeah, so you can be in front of it too. Wait, oh my god, the views. Wait. Guys, this is Emma. Hi. She's a director.
Trying to blow up. Trying to make it in this work.
Incredibly inspiring. Did I lose money somewhere?
Yeah, we indulged tonight.
Yeah, I'm gonna give them this because mine was like almost 100 dirhams.
I think I caught that part on camera. I'll send it to you later.
Yeah, but I don't have no storage.
I've got change. No, I've only got 50.
Dirhams are pounds.
I don't have 500 pounds.
That's alright.
I love her, man.
I was like, yeah.
That's why I was so confused. So, I can't remember what I vlogged last, but it's our last day all together. So, we decided to come to the beach. We are doing clear water kayaking, so this is going to be fun. You can see. So it's been a beautiful day at the beach so far. We went into the clear water kayak and it was so much fun that I'm going to go again. Hopefully bring you along this time, just because that first time I was worried that we'd tip over. But yeah, I'm literally just sitting on the beach. The girls are like changing into their swimsuits and whatnot. Me, I came prepared. I came prepared in my swimsuit and just put on a bio on. So yeah, they're now just changing to get into the water. Look how sweet they are over here. They saw my friend on her own waiting for the other group of girls, and they literally brought her a bouquet of roses. They cut each stem, then slotted it into this bouquet for her, and it's so cute. Such a beautiful day. We're in the Clearwater kayak. The sun is setting. We had the flowers as well. This is the view. The Buruj right in front of us. Wow, the sun has completely set. This is gonna be a good vlog. That's all I can say. Y'all have seen me on I don't even know, quad bike, on a camel. I've been doing this. I've been doing that. What haven't you seen me do? I can do anything.
My friend, is this speakers? You're joking. Where's your phone? You connect?
Yes.
I don't have internet. We're not gonna watch anything.
We will listen to Ariana Grande.
I told you don't want it.
No, not at all. My friend, we want.
But the time is about.
How long we have? How long we have?
You have like 10 minutes.
Yeah. Have you got Calm Down?
I don't have that. I have Ariana Grande and Ariana Grande.
No one knows that song, Salma.
Sorry, it's too bad. I know it.
Okay, 10 minutes. That's multiple songs, you know. Please, can I have one too? Yay. Yes, I want one.
I wish. These I don't have internet for Afro.
So
I only have Ariana Grande downloaded.
this girl.
That's what I'm saying.
I love it. I love it.
I know. I've got a great one. Hey guys, so it's a whole lot of time later. We came to the Trove to have our final farewell dinner. It's mad cute over here, I'm not even gonna lie, son. Farewell, friends! Have a safe flight! Have a safe flight! Hey! Yeah, it's been an amazing trip, I'm not even gonna lie. So we are back at the airport and we are making our way home. It's just me, Rahma and Naima on our way back at this time. All the other girls have either flown out to Zanzibar or taken a separate flight back to London. But yes, it's been lovely. It's been so good, like connecting with all these different ladies, spending time with them, having fun, just like a new experience. And like so many of us are like excited to connect back in the UK. When it's like in Birmingham, for example, we're just so excited. But yeah, if you made it to the end of this vlog, I really love you. I appreciate you so much. Like, follow, comment and subscribe or whatever, all that good stuff. It really helps me and the algorithm, you know how it goes. But yeah, this is probably where I'm gonna sign off and then get on the plane. I hope you have a lovely day, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.